Hello, welcome to this teaching series. We are still on geometry and mensuration. We have a question there on the board. Now, looking at this question, we are to calculate angle CDE. By angle CDE, we're referring to this angle. It means we're looking for this angle. Okay, now we're not given any number, so what are we going to do? Well, look at the diagram very well. You're given markers, okay? There's a mark, there's a mark, there's a mark. What is this mark saying here? Look at it critically. If this side and this side and this side are the same, okay, it's saying that this triangle here, this triangle ABD is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so if this is an equilateral triangle, let me just draw an equilateral triangle for you. This is an equilateral triangle. Anytime you have a triangle like this, it means it's an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. And for any equilateral triangle, all the inside angle will be 60 degrees each. Will be what? 60 degrees each, okay? And that's it. You need to know that, okay? Such that when you add this plus this, it will give you 180 degrees, okay? If the sides are the same, this side are the same, the angles inside too must be equal in value. So we'll come here now. I'll say here is now 60, here is 60, and here is what? 60 degrees. That's the first thing I've seen, okay? Now the next thing I've seen is I have another triangle here. Triangle CBD. Triangle CBD is like this. It's more like an isosceles triangle, telling you that two base angles must be what? Equal. Okay. Now look at this critically. Now if this side is 60, now it must have been that this. Okay. If this is 60, you can see this 60 and this angle, this my uniform angle are on a straight line, right? So this place must be 120. How do I know? Just 180 minus 60, that will be 120. It means this place should be what? 120 degrees. Okay? And if this place is 120 degrees, like for example, this place is 120 degrees. Now, since this is isosceles triangle, what that means is that these two base angles will also be the same. Now, if in a triangle we have a total of 180, and only this side is taking 120, it means what is left is 180 minus 120, which is 60. It means we have 60 to be shared into these two angles here equally. So I'll divide the 60 by 2 to get 30 degrees. It means here will be 30 degrees, and here will also be 30 degrees. I think that's clear now, right? So it means here, this angle here will be 30 degrees, and this other angle here too will be 30 degrees. I think that's clear enough, right? And we can do the same here. Looking at this triangle ADE. Triangle ADE now. Now, I can as well get this side. If this place is 60 and they are both on a straight line, this and this are on a straight line, okay? It must have been that this place is also what? 120 degrees. Now, look at this triangle ADE again. Triangle AD is also an isosceles triangle, okay? By implication, what I have here and what I have here must also be the same. If only this side is taking 120, 180 minus 120 is 60, right? I'll share the 60 into two angles, right? So this place will be what? 30 also. And this side will also be 30 degrees. And it's becoming simpler now, right? Now look at it now. I want to get this angle CDE. I want to get this place. I'm interested in this place. Let me bolding it now. I'm interested in this place. Now look at the logic here. Do you agree with me that the whole of this place plus the whole of this place plus the whole of this place plus the whole of this place are giving me angle at a point, more like they're forming a circle? Okay, they're forming a circle. It must have been that D plus 120 plus 60 plus 330 must give me 360, because we said sum of angles at a point. They are all formed at this point here, at this middle point here. This angle is formed on this point. This angle is formed on this point. This angle is formed on this point. This angle is formed at this point. Okay, angles formed at a point are 360. So I'll say permit me to clean this. So from here, to get the value of D, because we are supposed to find CDE, that is to find angle D, I'll say D plus 30 plus this 60 plus this 120 must all equal to 360. Sum of angles at a point. I just explained that earlier, okay? So we can work on. So let's go. D plus 30 plus 60 is 90. 90 plus 120 is 210 equal to 360. Collect like terms. This will move out. D equal to 360 minus 210. And D equals to, when you subtract this, 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 1 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Your D equals to 150 degrees. So we can conclude, therefore, angle CDE equal to 150 degrees. It means this place is what? 150 degrees. And that's it. Very easy. You can take your time, pause the video, go through it again, and understand it, okay? But it's very clear for now. Bye bye.